ZANU-PF Women's League Secretary for Administration, Comrade Monica Muchangwa, is applauded President Idi Mnangagwa for fulfilling his promises by spearheading tangible development since his re-election in 2023. Sanapena mashoko ari kubuda panapa propaganda dzezanu panguva ine vachiti aiwa Idi delivers. Tiona vana Muchangwa panguva ine vari vachiti aiwa mutungamiriri wenyika yeZimbabwe ari kudeliver. Aiwa zviri very massive zvakapinda pakutonga. Ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon. Panapa tichipinda the Manika Post vanodanyora chiti speaking during presidential victory celebrations at Chitora Secondary School Mutare South and Munyoro Secondary School Chimanimani West this afternoon. Comrade Muchangwa commended party members for voting wisely in 2023. In quotes, "You voted wisely. President Mnangagwa is delivering development, leaving no one and no place behind. He's bringing electricity to rural areas, rebuilding infrastructure destroyed by Cyclone Idai, and creating opportunities for women through recapitalized Women's Microfinance Bank," he said. Comrade Muchangwa added that under the president's leadership, Zimbabwe is steadily progressing towards Vision 2030. In quotes, "Our leader is a visionary. He is not a merely building roads. He is connecting people and opportunities," she said. Minister of State for Manicaland Provincial Affairs and Evolutionary Advocate Mishek Mugadza also announced government's plan to distribute 25,000 solar kits across the province, commencing with Ward 7, Mutare South. This exemplifies a president who genuinely cares. These solar kits will bring light to every village, she said. Ndo mashoko anobuda panguva ino vari kuonekwa kunzi aiwa vakomana aiwa the ruling party ZANU-PF vari kuonekwa kunzi zvigananda panguva ino iyi. Yes, they are claiming kuti vari kuita massive development, but panguva ino each and everyone munyika yeZimbabwe ari kuuya achichema achicomplaina noda kuti yes they are delivering, but how are they delivering? Tarisai maroads panapa they are claiming kuti Trabablas interchange it costed 88 million, but kunoonekwa kunzi kune mamwe interchange akatokura akatonaka kudarika ipapo akatobuildiwa in less than that amount. Kuri kuonekwa kunzi aiwa these are projects avari kutora kana they are undertaking just to enrich themselves. Vanouya vachipega makosi ari high so that they can also benefit from those projects. Tudze mafunguro enyu motudi pamusoro pechituko chipinda comment section medu. Subscribe or like, chita on the bell icon.